In this video, we will discuss the difference between a scientific theory and a scientific law. A theory is not just a guess, and a law does not explain why something happens. Let's clear this up in 2 minutes. A scientific theory is an explanation of things or events based on knowledge gained from many observations and investigations. It's not a guess. If scientists repeat an investigation and the results always support the hypothesis, that hypothesis can become a theory. But here's the key part. Having supporting data doesn't mean a theory is finished. As new evidence comes in, theories can be refined or modified. For example, our theory of falling objects has been adjusted over time. Even Einstein's theories of relativity are still tested today. A scientific law, on the other hand, is a statement about what happens in nature, and it seems to be true all the time. Laws tell you what will happen under certain conditions, but they don't explain why or how it happens. Gravity is a perfect example. The law of gravity states that any one mass will attract another mass. To date, no experiment has ever disproven it. Notice, the law tells us that masses attract each other. It doesn't tell us how. That's for theories. So how do they connect? A theory can be used to explain a law, but theories do not become laws. They're two different things entirely. For instance, many theories have been proposed to explain how the law of gravity actually works. They are complementary, not sequential. But even so, there are only a few widely accepted theories in science and even fewer laws. They represent our most solid understanding. Quick recap. A theory explains why or how something happens based on repeated evidence, and it can change as we learn more. A law describes what happens consistently every time, but doesn't explain why. It's the observation of nature's constant patterns. Common examples include the theories of relativity and the Big Bang, and the laws of gravity and laws of reflection. That's the difference between a theory and a law in 2 minutes. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next revision video.